My recording on. So basic mathematics, we will start with the basic mathematics. So what is this basic mathematics? तो basic mathematics में जो हम लोग करेंगे उसमें मेनली हम लोग रीड करेंगे लॉगरिदम, सर्ट्स, राइट। ये दो टॉपिक इंपॉर्टेंट होंगे। लॉगरिदम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड उसमें हम लोगों को यूज करने पड़ते हैं मॉड फंक्शन या मॉडुलस, मॉडुलस, ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन एंड फ्रैक्शंस, राइट। तो ये जो फंक्शंस होते हैं जिसको एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू फंक्शन भी बोलते हैं मॉडुलस को, राइट। तो लाइक विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर, लेकिन ख्याल रखना ये हम लोगों को मैक्सिमम रखना है डायलॉग, राइट। हम लोग को बातचीत करना जरूरी है, इसलिए मैं बार बार बोलूंगा आपको कि कैमरा प्लीज अपने अपने एकदम ऑन रखना, राइट। वी हैव टू डिस्कस, राइट। जिससे होता क्या है ना कि अगर नहीं समझ में आ रही है या कहीं पर मैं जल्दी हूं या समथिंग, राइट, तो वी कैन टॉक, राइट। हम लोग बातें कर सकते हैं, राइट। हाँ एकदम एकदम, आप आंसर बोल भी सकते हो बेटा, लिख भी सकते हो एकदम, ये क्लासरूम है, राइट। ठीक, दिस इज द क्लासरूम। हाँ, हम लोग क्लासरूम में बैठे हैं। ओके, सो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू फंक्शन, राइट, या मॉडुलस फंक्शन, ये दो नाम से हम लोग जानते हैं। सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो दिस की व्हाट इज दिस एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू फंक्शन और द मॉडुलस फंक्शन, राइट। सो ऑब्वियसली मॉडुलस फंक्शन मीन्स मॉड एक्स, ये रिप्रेजेंट करने का एक तरीका होता है, दैट्स कॉल्ड द मॉड एक्स, राइट। दिस इज द मॉडुलस, राइट। व्हाट इज दिस मॉडुलस फंक्शन?
उसमें मैग्नीट्यूड बताता है
वेरी
नंबर।
गुड। मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ दिस फ्रॉम ओरिजिन, राइट। ये ओरिजिन से अगर मैं x का मॉड बोल रहा हूं मीन्स दिस इज नथिंग बट x माइनस जीरो द होल स्क्वायर इज इन दैट, मीन्स मॉडुलस इज नथिंग बट अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर, दिस नोन एज मॉड एक्स। फर्स्ट थिंग जो हमारे दिमाग में बैठनी चाहिए कि व्हाट इज मॉडुलस, तो अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर इज मॉडुलस, राइट। सो एनी नेगेटिव और फ्रैक्शन और जीरो जो भी हमारे पास नंबर है, लाइक दिस इज ओरिजिन, सो ये डिस्टेंस की बात करता है। इफ आई एम सेइंग कि मॉड एक्स इज इक्वल टू सम नंबर 5, right. So mod x is equal to 5 is possible when I'm saying x minus 0 is in the mod is equal to 5. That is the same thing. Means 0 से मैं जो distance ले रहा हूं, this distance is 5. But ये distance की बात हो रही है तो maybe it will be in the right or maybe it will be in the left. राइट, ये दोनों तरफ हमारे लेफ्ट और राइट दोनों हो सकते हैं। सो द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स कुड बी इधर प्लस और माइनस 5। ओके, राइट। सो आई डोंट थिंक कि किसी को इस पे प्रॉब्लम है, राइट। मीन्स हमारे पास तीन बातें यहां पर आ गई, राइट। क्या क्या? अगर मैं मॉड एक्स रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं तो मॉड एक्स को वी कैन से दैट इफ एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन जीरो विल रिप्रेजेंट दिस एज एक्स, एंड इफ एक्स इज लेस देन जीरो विल रिप्रेजेंट दिस एज माइनस एक्स, right? If mod x is positive, so we have to represent this as only x, and if x is less than 0, so we have to represent this as minus x. Why this is so? See, if x is less than 0, let minus 5. So mod x is a positive quantity, so it has to come as 5. That is possible only if I'm writing minus of minus 5. That's coming as a 5 only, right? So representation of mod will be divided into two parts, right? केवल mod x की मैंने बात करी now. ओके, नाउ मैं नोट शेयर कर दूंगा तो नो वरी, इज इक्वल टू मैंने 2 कहा फर्स्ट। सो while solving this I have to compare this as 2, or while solving this I have to compare this minus 2. So the value of x is either through 2 or minus 1, right? First case. Second case is when I'm saying mod of x minus 5 is equal to 0, means value of x is equal to 5 only. But the third case, when x minus 6 is in the mod is equal to negative of something, what could be the answer in this case?
There are no solution.
Okay. So the base of, while solving the algebraic part, the base is this much only, right? When we have to write it down, either if this is positive, then we have to open this in the plus or minus sign. If this is 0, we have to equate with 0. And if it is negative, so we have to write down no solution. Is this okay, everyone? So jaldi se Two questions are there. Write down the answer. Very good, Simil. Perfect. Very fast, very good. Akshar, very good. Very good. Adya, very good. So Tiksha, you can write down in chat. Zeal, you can write down beta. Very good. Perfect. Very good. So this is coming as x plus 3 is equal to 7, or x plus 3 is equal to minus 7, or x minus 3 is equal to either 5, or x minus 3 is equal to minus of 5. So from this, it's coming as two values. And from this is coming as 8 and minus 2. Right? These two values. Right? So x plus 3 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 4. X plus 3 is equal to minus 7. So this is coming as minus 10. Right? One solution and another. Very good, everyone. Right? Okay. ठीक है? But this is a very simple thing, right? But this is the base. When it's positive, right, you have to write down one time. When we are removing the mod, you have to write down one time positive and another time negative, right? And then solve both this, right, in this case, right? But what if I'm writing 7 ka mod is equal to 3? X minus 2 is in the mod, minus 7 whole is in the mod is equal to 3. Now we have to solve for x. First, we have to remove this mod, right? Then we have to go for the second mod, right? Let's start with the first mod, then we'll go for the second mod.
Learn page इतना sir.
Very good. Wow. तो टेक्शा दिस वन इज क्लियर ना बेटा? ऊपर में जो था ये वाले
यस सर।
दोनों, राइट? इसमें पहले क्या करना है बेटा? ये वाले मॉड जो है ना, पहले ये वाले को हटाना। मीन्स x माइनस 2 का मॉड माइनस 7 इज इक्वल टू 3, और x माइनस 2 का मॉड माइनस 7 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3, राइट? तो फर्स्ट वन विल सॉल्व एज x माइनस 2 इज इन द मॉड इज इक्वल टू 10 एंड x माइनस 2 इज इन द मॉड इज इक्वल टू 4. नाउ अगेन सॉल्व दिस.
यस सर।
जील, और दो होगा, और दो होगा.
हाँ सर।
Simil, very good. Adya, go ahead.
Yes, actually my pen ran out, so I had to go for another one.
Okay, very good. So conceptually, we have to just see this. Yes, very good, Zain. Conceptually, we have to see this as like
My answer correct?
very good, beta. Just a minute. I guess. Wow, very good. 10 and x minus 2 is equal to minus 10, and x minus 2 is equal to 4, x minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So from these two, it's coming as 12 minus 8. For these two, it's coming as 6, right? 2, and it's minus 2. So 4 values we are getting. 12 minus 8, 6, and like moreover, you can write as minus 8, minus 2, 6, and 12. I guess all of you getting these values. Write down yes in chat, please. यही values आए हैं, मेरे को लगता तो है. Good, 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 good. Good, good, good. Very good, very good. But moreover, अगर पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज है विथ मॉड देन वी हैव टू गो अहेड विद द वैल्यूज. अगर पॉजिटिव की जगह नेगेटिव वैल्यूज है यू हैव टू रिजेक्ट दैट, राइट. एक दो क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस की बात है. लाइक इफ आई एम सेइंग गो फॉर दिस.
सर भेज दिया।
वेरी गुड. गुड स्पीड. अच्छा आज सिमिल गुड स्पीड. वेरी गुड सुदेक्षा. वेरी गुड बेटा. और दो वैल्यूज है, जल्दी चेक कर लो. वेरी गुड अद्या. वेरी गुड. So x minus 3 is in the mod minus 2 is equal to 1, or x minus 3 is in the mod minus 2 is equal to minus 1. From this, x minus 3 is 3, x minus 3 is in the mod is 2 minus 1 is 1 only. Right? So now it's x minus 3 is equal to 3 or x minus 3 is equal to minus 3 because this number is positive. So mod will be open in both the way, right? And x minus 3 is equal to 1 or x minus 3 is equal to minus 1. This is without mod minus 1. So that's permissible, right? So x is equal to 6, 0, 4, minus 2. Yes, sorry, plus 2. So 0, 2, 4, 6. All the values. ये सभी के सही रहे ना. वाह वेरी गुड एवरीवन. बहुत अच्छे. नाउ लास्ट वन ऑन दिस. Last one on this.
सर भेज दिया।
Good. Smell. Good. अच्छा जी. वाह. वेरी गुड जील. प्रतीक्षा. वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा बेटा. जील वेरी गुड. ये बच्चे चेक करना कुछ शायद लिखने में गड़बड़ हो गया है. जील ये बच्चे चेक करना वो माइनस माइनस दो बार हो गया बेटा. x minus 5 का mod minus 3 is equal to 5. x minus 5 का mod minus 3 is equal to minus 5. From this, x minus 5 का mod is equal to 8. And x minus 5 का mod is equal to minus 2. So this is not possible, right? So only I have to solve this one. So x minus 5 is equal to 8 or x minus 5 is equal to minus 8. So x is coming as 13, x is minus 3. Very, very, very good, everyone. Perfect. नहीं, ये वाले सॉल्यूशन नहीं देंगे. This is not possible ना. Mod something is negative is not possible. Understand? Okay ना? Now, very good, everyone. See, अब एक और क्वेश्चन कर लेता हूं इस पे ना. आई गेस यू अंडरस्टैंड. और एक कर लूं और एक और दे दूं. x माइनस वन का मॉड माइनस वन का मॉड इज इक्वल टू 3. सॉल्व दिस. Mod something is equal to, no, mod is a positive quantity that must not be equal to some negative quantity. So we have to reject that out. Right? That is the thing.
सर भेज दिया.
Very good. Perfect. वाह. तो ठीक है. वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत अच्छे. अक्षय वेरी गुड. समिल वेरी गुड. Zeel very good. See, x minus 1 is in the mod, minus 1 is equal to either 3. X minus 1 is in the mod, minus 1 is equal to minus 3. X minus 1 is in the mod is equal to 4. X minus 1 is in the mod is equal to minus 2. So this is not possible. Very good, everyone. 4 and this is minus 4. So x is equal to 5 and minus 3. Wow, very good. Okay, right? Now, a simple question with the, okay? Okay, everyone? Right? So now you understand now how to solve this, right? Mod of mod of mod 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times, any number of times is there. Right? Are they okay na beta?
Yes, sir.
Shiksha, Akshaj, Z,
Yes.
okay na? Simil,
Yes,
ठीक ना? Okay. Now,
Yes.
अब ये पूरी कहानी पे what I am saying कि अगर मैं एक छोटा सा ये रखूं, a square b to the power 12 and c to the power 4 is in the under root. And it is given that a is less than 0, b greater than 0, and c is less than 0. If I'll remove this under root, what you will write it down? क्या लिखोगे आप? बहुत एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन पूछा. मैं अंडर रूट लगाऊंगा तो पावर 2 विल बी कैंसलिंग आउट, पावर 12 विल बी कैंसलिंग आउट, और पावर 4 विल बी कैंसलिंग आउट. व्हाट शुड बी राइट डाउन? अक्षर ने लिखा. वाह. ए बी टू द पावर 6 सी स्क्वायर. अच्छा, थोड़ा सोचना होगा बेटा. समझना, ये पूरा अब मैं वो पढ़ा रहा हूं जो आईआईटी के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट है. मैं हर छोटी छोटी चीज को यहाँ फंसाऊंगा. टेक योर टाइम,
So
टेक योर टाइम.
A into C की power 2 into B की power 4
6 हाँ, a into b की पावर 6 into c square, something like this.
yes sir.
But बेटा
सर वापस भेजा.
that mod we have to remove ना. हाथ सिमिल ने कुछ अच्छा लिखा. वेरी गुड. तो सिमिल पकड़ लिया बात को, क्या बोल रहा हूँ. जील, आद्या, ट्राई दिस. सी, मैंने स्टार्टिंग जो किया उसमें एक बार बोला कि ए स्क्वायर इज इन द मॉड, so दिस विल बी गोइंग विद द मॉड, राइट? मॉड a square, under root of a square is always going with a mod. So if I'm saying this, so this whole thing is coming as a mod, right? And we know that. अब दूसरा कंसेप्ट देखो, मैंने दूसरे कंसेप्ट में क्या बोला था? If mod x is given, right? So this is mod a, b to the power 6 mod c square is in the mod, right? If x less than 0, this will be represented as minus x. And if x greater than 0, this will be represented as x, right? So now, what should we write? Because a is less than 0, right? So this will be minus a. b greater than 0 to b to the power 6, no worry in that. C less than 0 to this is minus 6 but square. So overall I'm saying this is a b to the power 6 c square with minus sign. Is this okay? तो देख क्या क्लियर
Yes,
है
sir.
ना?
Yes.
दोनों कंसेप्ट में लगाया, राइट? कि अंडर रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर इज मॉड ए, बट वी नो दैट मॉड ए इज लेस देन 0, राइट? बट सी स्क्वायर वाले में वो काम नहीं कर रहा, व्हाई? बिकॉज माइनस सी स्क्वायर विल बी, राइट, गोइंग विथ
But it will be C square only.
ऑफ सी स्क्वायर ओनली, राइट? ओके, फर्स्ट, सो इस बार और केयरफुल ना. इफ आई एम राइटिंग 16 a to the power 4, b to the power 6 and c to the power 12, whole is in the under root, a less than 0, b less than 0, c greater than 0. What should we write this?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
minus 4A square
Very good.
into B cube
Hmm.
into C to the power 6.
Why minus sign in this case?
Sir, because it's 16.
No, why minus sign? Why minus sign we have to take? For which one? For A you have taken the minus sign, for B you have taken the minus sign.
Sir, A.
No. See, A is negative, but A square is coming now, to minus A square will be A square only. For B is B cube, so minus B cube is minus sign. So for B, it's this minus sign is coming. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Okay, everyone? ठीक है ना? रील आपके भी भैया आ गया, यही आया बेटा? हाँ, वेरी गुड एवरीवन. चलो. So if I'm saying ki, okay, now y is equal to some mod x is given, right? We have to plot this in a graph paper. So let this is the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means this is origin, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, all the numbers are there, right? Y is equal to minus x, the graph will be starting with 0, this will be 0. For 1, it will be 1, for 2, it will be 2, for x, the values. And same for minus, this will give the positive. Right, so this is the graph, the V say. So x greater than 0, y is greater than 0 or equal to 0, x less than 0, तब भी y तो मेरा greater than 0 ही. Right, so the V shape will form for, right, the graph y is equal to mod x. Right, the graph is saying that, what the graph is saying, for x is equal to 1, y is 1 only. Right, for x is equal to 2, y is 2 only. For x is equal to minus 1, y is 2 only. X is equal to minus 2, y is 2 only, and so on. And gradually it varies to infinity, right? बहुत बड़ा नंबर चला जाएगा, infinity को मूव कर जाएगा, right? इधर भी both way. The graph is clear. What the minimum value of this graph? इस ग्राफ की अगर मैं बोलूं मिनिमम वैल्यू क्या आ रही है, so what should be the value? वैल्यू कौन सी जो मिनिमम होगी?
Sir, 0.
0.
Right, the minimum value of the graph is 0, right? And what is the maximum value? That's going to infinity, right? So like, and for x greater than 0, we are representing this as x, and for x less than 0, we are representing this function as minus x. What if The same thing you have to draw for x minus 2 is in the mod. Take your time. Y is equals to x minus 2 is in the mod.
सर भेजा आंसर।
वाओ सिमिल बहुत अच्छा लिखा। नॉट बैड, अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा। दोनों ने अलग लिखा लेकिन दोनों ने परफेक्ट मेंशन कर दिया, अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिख पाए। Yes, where this will be shifted, Adya? Very good. Top, right, very good. Perfect. Zeal, C. This is the number 2 comma 0. Now the same graph will be there, but at the point 2 comma 0. But few things we can, right, we can see from this. What? For x greater than equal to 2, we have to represent the function as x minus 2, right? For x greater than 2. For x less than 2, we have to represent the function as 2 minus x. Or we can say x minus 2 with minus sign, right? Whichever we like, whatever you like, right? Either you can say 2 minus x, right? You have to take distance of, right? From 2, you have to take the distance, right? Because x is coming as here, right? So 2 minus x, if x is coming up less than 2. For greater than, right? The x is greater, so we are writing x minus 2 as a function, right? So now we understand this. So can you write it down x minus 3 का mod? So can I say कि x minus 3 का mod will be divided into two parts? What is that? For x greater than equal to 3, this will be x minus 3. For x less than 3, what should we write? क्या लिखूं इसे?
3 minus x.
Very good. Right? You have to take distance from 3, right? Why? Because 3 is the block where this changing the sign, right? So if any value of x is here, right? So we have to take this x minus 3, right? X is greater than this value. And if some x is here, so we have to take distance from 3, so this will be 3 minus x, right? So the mod will work something like this, right? Either this will be positive or negative, that we have to working on that part, right? Now, so why we are doing so, right? Why we are doing this thing, right? It's okay. आगे बढ़ता जाऊं. Okay, everyone. 3 minus x is in the mod is equal to x plus 5 is the mod. Solve for x. You want to try या मैं बताऊं? क्या बोलते हो?
So please, let us try.
Okay.
सर भेजा।
थोड़ा सा और अच्छा है.
सर अब सही है।
Very good, Adya.
These are all the solutions, or like we have more?
No. what you have done, how you solve this. So the same logic, one time positive, another time negative.
Yes, sir.
So again, we can say this as 3 minus 1 is equal to either x plus 5 or 3 minus x is equal to minus x minus 5. From this, we are getting 2x is equal to 6, so x is equal to 3. And for this, we know that 4x is equal to minus 4, so x is equal to minus 1. This is the first solution, right? Like,
सर मैंने अलग तरीके से किया।
very good. ये भी देख लेते हैं. Second, C. This is the first method, right? Either you have to open this with a positive or negative, right? So we can easily solve this out as this, right? The second method is, see, mod function is always a positive function, right? And for positive function, we know that mod x is equal to under root of x square, right? Or mod x is equal to some number given as 5. You can square this. When you will square the mod function, so mod x the whole square is x square only. Or x square is, right, mod x square only. Right, both are same, right? Either you are writing the x square or mod x square, both are same, right? Both the numbers are same. So one thing we can always do in this as we can remove this mod by squaring, right? Squaring both sides. So this is 3x minus 1 the whole square is equal to x plus 5 the whole square. And don't solve as like completely you have to go for a plus b the whole square or something, right? What you have to do, 3x minus 1 the whole square minus x plus 5 the whole square is equal to 0. Now we know that a square minus b square is equal to 0. So this will be a plus b or a minus b. Right, so either x is equal to minus 1 or that's it. So Adya, बेटा एक ध्यान देना इस पे. So now we are sure कि सर इसके अलावा तो कोई solution होगा ही नहीं. We have only two solutions, right? Why? Because when we are squaring, so only second degree term is coming. तो second degree term without mod is there, तो 100% we are 100% sure कि दो से ऊपर तो नहीं होंगे, right? अक्षय जी यही किया था, सेम.
नहीं नहीं सर, कुछ और किया था।
क्या किया बेटा, बताओ.
सर एक केस लिया x लेस देन -5, दूसरा केस -5 से 1/3 तक, और तीसरा 1/3 से बड़ा।
ओके. ओके,
तो
चलो वो भी
तीनों
कर
केस
लेते हैं.
लेकर उनसे सोल्यूशन निकाली। एक में 4i मतलब वो पर -5 से कम है तो होगा नहीं, दूसरे में -1 और तीसरे से 3।
बट वेरी गुड, राइट. दिस इज लाइक द बेसिक थिंग दैट वी हैव टू कवर अप. फर्स्ट वाले मेथड में कभी कभी गलत होने के चांस भी रहेंगे, राइट. फर्स्ट वाले मेथड में कभी कभी गलत होने के चांस रहते हैं, राइट. वो भी मैं दिखाऊंगा अभी. राइट. एंड थर्ड मेथड, मैं थर्ड भी बताता हूँ. फर्स्ट नोट डाउन द फर्स्ट टू, देन विल गो फॉर द थर्ड वन. ओके ना? ओके एवरीवन, ऑल आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ना? ठीक ना? रील ओके ना बेटा? ठीक.
Yes, sir.
सी. So third method, right, when we'll go with key, like what was the basic of this? So what we are doing in this case is we have to draw a number line. See this carefully now. For the questions, like very unknown questions now, we have to go through this, right? This x plus 5 will be 0 at -5. This 3x minus 1 will be 0 at 1/3, right? So one time x plus 5 will be 0 at -5 and 3x minus 1 will be 0 at 1/3, right? So there are three cases: first, second, and third. First, case first, when I'm saying some x is greater than 1 by 3, as well as this is greater than minus 5. So from both I can say this will be 3x minus 1 and this will be x plus 5. Now both will be completely open as a positive one. So this 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Since x is equal to 3 is coming, you can't say that this is the solution. Just you have to check this x is equal to 3 is greater than 1 by 3. Now we have to say that this must be the solution. First. Second, what if x is varying between, right, minus 5 to 1 by 3? So if x is greater than minus 5, so this will be coming as a positive 1, x plus 5. But x is less than 1 by 3, so this will be 1 minus 3x. Are you getting this? Everyone. 4x is equal to, right, minus 4, x is equal to minus 1. Again, you can see x is minus 1 is working on both the sides, right? So that will be the answer, right? Is this okay? Here, I'm writing this 3x minus 1 is 1 minus 3x is okay, right? Now, third case, when x is less than both the values minus 5. So first is 1 minus 3x and second is minus x minus 5. Right? Minus I have to give to that number. So this is 2x is equal to minus 4. So x is coming as minus 2. Now see this.
सर -6 होगा और फिर
Minus,
माइनस आएगा.
acha, minus 6 था ना? So this is minus 3. Now see this. So minus 3 is
नहीं
coming.
सर, +3 आएगा क्योंकि वो -2x होगा.
But you can see this ki like this number is less than minus 5 is not there. This number is coming as greater than this number. So 100% this is not the solution. That's the reason I was writing, right? This is not the solution. So we have to deduce this. Why? Because we have taken x is lesser than minus 5, but our answer is coming as the number greater than minus 5. So we have to reject this. So this is the basic of this. This is the third solution. So which one, like this is the perfect one, right? But this is the longest one. But you can go with the second or first one. These three, just a minute. These three are there. Which one? कौन सा बोलोगे आप? अक्षय, which one? First, second और third?
तीसरा ही बोलूंगा, एक्यूरेसी ज्यादा आती है उससे.
Okay. So
सर तीसरा.
Diksha, third one. Adya, which one?
Second one.
Second. Zeel,
Second.
second. Simil,
सर थर्ड.
third. Okay. चलो. Let's see. हाँ. एक और question. Just you have to see कि which one will work. Solve for x.
सर बराबर है.
Just a minute. Good.
Answer correct?
Very good. Perfect.
चैट भेजा.
Very good. Very good. Now, a square will not work in this, right? The third method will go in this, right?
तो स्क्वायरिंग काम करेंगे।
नहीं काम करेगा ना बेटा। देन 2ab का टर्म भी आएगा ना।
हाँ
That's the reason I have given this one. See, this is 2, this is 6, right? Case first, when x greater than equal to 6. So this will be x minus 2 plus x minus 6 is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 18, x is equal to 9. Second case, when x lying between 2 to 6, right? So this x lying between 2 to 6, so you are standing here. So greater than 2, so x minus 2, less than 6, so 6 minus x is equal to 10. X cancel out, 4 is equal to 10. It's absurd, something is coming. So we will not take this, right? So the last is x less than 2. So this is 2 minus x plus 6 minus x is equal to 10. 8 minus 2x is equal to 10. So 2x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 1, right? So minus 1 is less than 2, right? So minus 1 is 1 and 9 is 1, right? Minus 1 and 9. But see this carefully, right? See this carefully. Two more things I'll show. This is the first method, right? What I'm saying, in these type of question, if two mods are given and we have to just take care of the values, right? These are very simple. We don't need to go for 2 and 6 now, right? See, 2 and 6, two values are there. X minus 2 mod plus x minus 6 mod is equal to 10. See, distance between, see this carefully now. Distance between these two is 4. What is the meaning of this? Means if I'm saying that this is x, right? So this is x minus 6 plus x minus 2. This is x minus 6 and this one is x minus 2. Sum of these two is coming as 10. But like the number 2 and 6, this is giving you the entire this area as like this number as 4. So 100% we are sure that this x must not lies between 2 and 6. It has to go beyond 6 or less than 2, right? So assume that, right, this x is standing here. यहाँ खड़ा कर दिया मैंने x को, right? So what's the meaning of this? If I'm saying that from 6, this is at a distance of some m, right? So what is this distance from 2? क्या distance होगा 2 से?
plus
Sir, 10 plus 1.
4 na? This distance is 4, right? 4. And this is m, right? So what is the
Sir,
distance?
I meant m plus 1.
M plus 4. This length is 4 na?
Sir.
Right? This length is 4 and this length is m. Right? So total distance from here to here will be m plus 4. Okay? Okay? Now, what we required, what is given? X minus 2. So distance of x plus 2 is m plus 4. And distance of, right, x from 6 is m, is given as 10. So 2m is equal to 6. So m is equal to 3. So this value could be 3. So from 6, you have to go 3 units. So he is standing at 9. In the same way, right, obviously, this person if he's here, right, left side. So again, I can say his distance from this 2 is m, and distance from 6 is 4 plus m. So again, he has to be at 3 distance from this unit. And 2 is there, and you have to go 3 unit behind 2. So where he is standing? Either -1 or 9. So two values you are getting as -1. This is the second thing, right? You have to get. Okay. So what is the, right? What is the value? So obviously we can say that that's again coming as these two, right? So now, if I'm giving you x minus 3 is in the mod plus x minus 6 is in the mod is equal to some value 12. Now solve this. You have two methods. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे, right? या दोनों से अगर कर पाओ तो और अच्छा है, right? Take your time.
सर भेज दिया।
अरे वाह, very good. Very good, Akshay.
सर भेज दिया।
Very good, very good, perfect. Wow. So which one? First one, second one? Which one?
सर सेकंड वन वो जल्दी होता है।
सर मैंने आपका मेथड यूज किया, बस थोड़ा एडिट कर दिया उसको शॉर्ट बनाने के लिए और ज्यादा।
क्या क्या किया जैसे?
सर मॉड भूल ही गया मैं, सीधा
हम्म।
सम निकाला, उससे एक 10.5 आया, तो 10.5 मतलब इन दोनों का बड़ा रूट 6 है तो माइनस किया 4.5, और छोटा रूट 3 है तो 3 माइनस 4.5।
अरे वाह वाह।
आपके मेथड को छोटा कर दिया बस।
वेरी गुड, गुड वन। आद्या, सेम?
थर्ड वन।
ओके।
नहीं,
जील?
द इंटरवल वाला मेथड।
ओके। जील, सिमिल?
फिर मैं एन वाले से ट्राई करूँ।
ओके।
पहले वाला यूज कर रहा था वही।
चलो ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। Right, concept must be clear, right? Why I'm saying so, right? This is 3, this is 6, right? So obviously here you said, right, first is x greater than equal to 6, so this is 2x minus 9 is equal to 12, x is equal to 10.5, right? So, and obviously this length is 3, so we know that it has to go beyond that. So x less than 3, this is 3 minus x plus 6 minus x is equal to 12. So 9 minus 2x is equal to 12. These are simple thing, right? X is equal to minus 1.5. So both the solutions are here only, right? Now, so if we have to plot the graph of something like this, y is equal to x minus 2 mod plus x minus 8 mod. What is the graph of this? What is the minimum value and how this will work? Right. Take your time, draw the graph, a rough sketch, a rough sketch. Right. For that, you need function. So you need this information, how the functions are working here. Right. So take your time, then I'll tell you.
सर बना दिया ग्राफ इसका।
वेरी गुड, परफेक्ट। वेरी गुड। जस्ट वी हैव टू गो फॉर 100 मॉड्स, राइट। जस्ट स्टार्टिंग के लिए ये पॉइंट्स आए हैं, राइट। उससे साझी मेरी होगी कि केस फर्स्ट, when x greater than equal to 8, this is coming as y is equal to 2x minus 10. Only two values you have to put. At 8 this will be 6, so this is 8 comma 6, and you can put any values greater than this, 10, 20 minus this. So this is the graph. Now, right, if x is lying between 2 to 8, right, this will be 6, this is going this. Y is equal to 6 is only the graph. This is a constant one, right? When I'm saying ki x is less than 2, right? So this will be y is equal to 10 minus 2x. So same this graph will come, right, in the negative one. So the graph will be something like this. Something like this. So the minimum value of graph is coming as, minimum is coming as 6. Right, when the x is lying between 2 to 8, in entire interval 2 to 8, we are getting the minimum value, that is 6. Right, so if two mods are there, right, so we can see that the minimum every time we are getting when, right, x is lying between these two values 2 and 8, right. And what is the minimum value? So difference between these two are the minimum value of this, right. And this is the graph. So I guess everyone is getting this, right? So because we have to go for 4, 5, 6 mod or 100 mods, right? So we are building this, like how this 2 mod or 3 mod will work, right? Then we will be able to draw the graph for 50 mods or 100 mod or anything, whatever it will be, right? So this is okay. Okay, everyone. So draw a graph. कितने लोगों का सही था? Write down yes, then I'll decide कि एक और ग्राफ कर लें या नहीं। एक और कर लें क्या? जल्दी से ड्रॉ कर लो ना, मैं भी कॉन्फिडेंस में आ जाऊंगा। y is equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 5. Do it fast.
सर डन।
Very good. Perfect. Perfect. So the graph will be something like this. In this case, this is 1, this is 5, this is the graph, this is the graph, this is the graph, right? Between, and the minimum value in this case will be 4, between 1 to 5. Everyone is okay with this? सबके सही आए हैं? Okay. Now, the main thing. X minus 2 is in the mod. X minus 5 is in the mod. X minus 7 is in the mod. What is the minimum value of this, right? And ग्राफ भी ड्रॉ कर ले एक. चलो मिनिमम वैल्यू तो निकालो और ग्राफ भी ड्रॉ कर लो. चलो एक चलेगा. नो वरी. वेरी गुड. सुथिक्षा वेरी गुड बेटा. बहुत अच्छे. आद्या डन. वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. अक्षर डन. वेरी गुड. Minimum, very good. And maximum to going to infinity now. Maximum to, we know that is going to infinity. See. So the graph is, in this case, 2, 5, and 7, right? I guess the graph, you are getting something like this. Right? At 5, it will be 5. At 7, it will be 7. At 2, it will be 8, huh? Something.
Yes, sir.
How many of you got this? So minimum you are getting at this. Simil, same graph. Zeel.
हाँ सर.
Zeel. Right. मैं फंक्शन भी लिख दूं. क्या क्या है फंक्शन? फर्स्ट वाले में फंक्शन इज कमिंग एज 3x minus 40. This is why. Second, when x is lying between 5 to 7, what is the function in this case? So x is lying 5 to 7, right? So it has to be greater than 5. So greater than 5, so this is 2x minus 7 plus 7 minus x. 7 cancelling out. So this is only x. When x is lying between 2 to 5, right? So any number greater than 2. X minus 2, 5 minus x, 7 minus x. X cancelling out. 10 minus x. This is 10 minus x. And this is to again 14 minus 3x. This is your answer. I hope everyone is getting this one, right? So if you'll see this, if 3 functions are given, then you are getting the minimum at the median one, 5. And when 2 functions are given, you are getting in between this 1 and 5. सो नाउ यू हैव नॉट टू सॉल्व नाउ ना, मैं सॉल्व बहुत करवा लिया, अब दिमाग दौड़ाने हैं, राइट? नाउ इफ आई एम आस्किंग, नाउ यू हैव टू टेल कि सर दिस इज द आंसर, y is equals to x minus 1 is in the mod, x minus 7 is in the mod, plus x minus 10 is in the mod. When you'll get the minimum value of this? First I'm asking when, what nahi, when you'll get the minimum value of this? Yes, fast. Wow, very good, very good. अच्छा जी, बहुत अच्छे. Fast, fast, fastest finger first. Very good, very good. Simil, Zeal, Adya, Sutiksha, fastest finger first. When you will get the minimum value, what is the minimum value? Wow, very good. Very good, Simil. Very good, Sutiksha. Very good, beta. बहुत अच्छे. Very good, Adya. Oh, 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 oh. When and what is the minimum value, right? Both we have to find now. Very good, very good. Perfect, perfect. So this is the median case. So 100% we know that at x is equal to 7, right? At x is equal to 7, when to at x is equal to 7, we are getting the minimum value. What is the minimum value? Put x is equal to 7. We are getting 7 minus 1 is in the mod, plus 0, plus 7 minus 10 is in the mod. 6 plus 3, 9. Very, very, very good. Perfect, everyone. ठीक है ना, Zeal? This only
Yes.
now. But what if I'm saying x is equal to, this is 3, x minus 10. When you'll get the minimum value, what is the minimum value?
सर भेज दिया.
Very good. Wow, very good. Think about the 2, 1. Again, this is even number of times. Simil, very good. Akshaj, very good. Adya, very good, beta.
सर भेज दिया.
Sutiksha, very good. Zeal. See, it will be between 3 and 6.
3 to 6.
Yes. Between 3 and 6, right? Both the mid values. You can put any of the values between 3 and 6, either 3 or 6, right? When, let's suppose I'm putting x is equal to 6 only, right? 6 minus 1, 5, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 3 is 3, plus 0 plus 4. Its minimum is 12. Right? So either it's 4 times, or let's suppose I'm giving you 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When you'll get the minimum one, and what is the minimum one?
सर भेजा.
Very good, everyone, right? So let's hope everyone is getting this, right? Perfect. अब तो बहुत सिंपल सी बात हो गई. आई एम राइटिंग दिस 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 100 times. So it's no worry. 100% we are able to find this, the minimum, and the maximum is going to infinity. Very good, Zeal. Akshas, very good. at x is equal to 3, right? Is 3 minus 1 is 2. This is 1, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. Something like this. 6 na, Zil. Mod is positive 1 na. Right. Okay, everyone. So this concept is okay. So क्या मैं आगे बढ़ूं? Right. So Teksha, okay beta? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Adya, okay beta?
Yes, sir.
Akshay, Zeel, Simil.
Yes, sir.
Now. So now we know कि if we have to open up the mod and we have to deal with that, right? But हमेशा आपको direct question तो मिलेंगे नहीं और मिलने चाहिए भी नहीं, obviously, right? So one indirect question I'm giving you. Now you have to solve for x square minus 9 is in the mod plus x square minus 4 is in the mod is equal to 5. Solve for us. आराम से ना, just some twist on. दिस इज फॉर इक्वलिटीज ओनली, राइट? हम लोगों ने आज जो किया है इक्वलिटीज पर हमने काम किए हैं, बट यही पूरी चीजें इन इक्वलिटीज पर चलती है तो क्वेश्चन थोड़े डिफरेंट हो जाते हैं, राइट? आराम से, नो नो हरी, नो हरी, आराम से, टेक योर टाइम. The concept is new, different things, like you have to start from the scratch. Basic इसलिए हम लोग पढ़ के रखते हैं, right?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, x square is equals to x.
Why so? X square is equal to x. Why you are saying so, beta? एक्स स्क्वायर को अगर मैं एक्स ले लूं, बट वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस ना, कि 9 और 4 में कहां पर वो एक्स स्क्वायर मेरा फंसा हुआ होगा, राइट?
Sir, we give
हम्म.
so we give the intervals, right?
यस 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 यस
Like I got two intervals,
यस
so I'm
यस
sending it.
यस यस यस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. So some interval will come, very good. The magic of the numbers, right? Not bad, Adya. थोड़ा सा और बेटा.
The
वाह.
two of them are there, but then
यस यस यस,
रुपया.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा, अरे वाह, अच्छा, वेरी गुड. The same question in a different like zone, we can say, or different style, right? I'm saying कि let this x square is some t, right? So this is t minus 9 is in the mod plus t minus 4 is in the mod is equal to 5. So we can see this कि distance between 4 and 9 is, right, 5 only. And the right side number is also coming as 5 only, right? So how it's possible? So 100% I can say that this t is lying between 4 and 9. Is this okay? क्या मैं ये बोल दूं directly कि if like the distance this is t minus 9 and this is t minus 4. So if I've taken this as t, so this is 9, this is 4, and distance between these two is 5. And right side, this is given as 5, right? So can I say like the distance is 5, this complete interval is 5. So this interval 5 is possible only if the number t is lying between 4 to 9. Okay, Zeel, okay. तो मैं 3 केसेस लेता हूं, राइट? इसको बेसिक से देखते हैं, राइट? तो केस फर्स्ट, t greater than equal to 9. So we can write this as 2t minus 13 is equal to 5. So 2t is equal to 18, so t is coming as 9. First. Case second, when x is lying between, t is lying between 4 to 9. So 4 to 9, so the number is greater than 4 and 9. So this will be 9 minus t plus t minus 4 is equal to 5. So this 5 is equal to 5. Yes, 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 yes. It's always true. Always true means the value of t is lying between 4 to 9. Case third, when t is less than 4. So this will be 9 minus t plus 4 minus t is equal to 5. 13 minus 2t is equal to 5. So t is equal to, right, coming as 4. 8 minus 2 is 4. ये तो पूरे नंबर ही आ गए ना. दिस इज ऑलवेज ट्रू. ऑलवेज मीन्स 4 to 9. दिस इज फॉर 9, दिस इज फॉर 4. सो कैन आई से t is the value lying between 4 to 9. बट मैं बोल रहा हूं क्यों इतना करना मेरे को ये काम कि दिस interval is 5 only, right? And this difference is coming as 5. अगर 5 से बड़े होंगे तब तो आई कैन से कि इट्स गोइंग राइट टू दिस और लेफ्ट टू दिस, राइट? अगर नंबर मेरे को 5 से छोटे तो मैं बोलूंगा सॉल्यूशन ही नहीं है मेरे पास. और अगर एग्जैक्टली 5 है तो इट कैन मूव एनीवेयर इन बिटवीन. जील ओके? श्योर?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. So now
Yes.
this t is lying between 4 to 9. Means x square is lying between 4 to 9. Right? For positive value of x is lying between 2 to 3. For negative values, x is lying between -3 to -2. So very, very, very good, everyone. Ye union 3 to 2. Something like this. Note down, please. Akshay is very good. Adya very good. Simil, same answer, beta.
हाँ सर.
Good, good. Right? So some quadratic is involved in this, but almost the same thing is there, right? Solving वही है, solving करना भी मेरे को वही है, but उसमें कहीं जो twist है, that you have to take care. Okay. What if I'm giving you दो क्वेश्चन दूंगा अभी quadratic के ही, x square minus plus 3 mod x plus 2 is equal to 0. And second, I am giving you x square minus, yeah, plus mod x minus 2. So, first and second. Relax ना.
भेज दिया.
Okay.
सर
यस,
सर एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू मॉड एक्स स्क्वायर तक ही पहुंचे, उसके आगे कैसे करूँ समझ नहीं आ रहा।
एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू,
मॉड एक्स स्क्वायर।
राइट, सो दिस इज मॉड एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3 मॉड एक्स प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0, ठीक है।
यस सर।
तो अब दो तरीके मेरे पास हो सकते थे, राइट, कि एक तो मैं इसे क्वाड्रेटिक सॉल्व करूं, राइट, या तो मैं इसे क्वाड्रेटिक सॉल्व करूं। तो अगर क्वाड्रेटिक सॉल्व करूं तो वी नो दैट मॉड एक्स इज इक्वल टू -3 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर -4ac/2a, और फैक्टराइज कर, वट एवर यू लाइक, राइट। इधर यू कैन सॉल्व दिस बाई, राइट, क्वाड्रेटिक, और यू कैन फैक्टराइज दिस, राइट। फैक्टराइज करूं तो क्या आएगा, मॉड एक्स प्लस 1 mod x plus 2 is equal to 0. But both the cases, mod x is coming as -1 or mod x is coming as -2. Mod something is negative, not possible.
यस
Right? But see this carefully, right? X square is
Sir,
a positive quantity.
यस सर।
3 mod x is again a positive quantity, right? 2 is again a positive quantity. And what we are expecting, what is our expectation? Ki sum of 3 positive quantity is equal to
यस
0.
जीरो।
So no solution at the first step, not required to solve.
ओके।
Yes, Adya, please, beta. Yes, Adya.
uh, sir, I sent my answers.
Oh, just a minute. Very good. Just a minute. Areva, very good. First is no solution. And second, now with the same logic, I can say this is mod x square plus mod x minus 2 is equal to 0. Mod x plus 2 and mod x minus 1 is equal to 0. So obviously for this, no solution. But from this, I can say mod x is equal to 1, x is equal to plus minus 1. Okay. Right? So these are few like simple question when we have to solve the mod. But as I said, these are the very like basic question. Obviously, we have started with the basic mathematics, so to start with that only. But the question will come in a different form, right? एक क्वेश्चन करता हूँ, राइट, एक क्वेश्चन तो बनता है आज पूरी जितने हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है, इनफैक्ट 2-3 क्वेश्चन है, बट लेट्स गो फॉर वन। अंडर रूट ऑफ x plus twice of under root of x minus 1, दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ना, इसके दो फॉर्म होते हैं, ये सिंपलेस्ट वाले मैं दे रहा हूं, x minus twice of under root of x minus 1, right? Solve for x.
सर इक्वल टू 0 है।
मैं कंडीशन दे देता हूं आपको, x is lying between 1 2,
सर सॉल्व क्या करना है?
क्या वैल्यू आएगी इसकी,
अच्छा
ये सॉल्व हो जाएगा, मतलब कंप्लीट रिड्यूसिबल फॉर्म में होगा ये,
Sir, x is lying between 1 to 2.
1 to 2, then you have to solve this ना गिवन इक्वेशन जो था, मतलब एक्सप्रेशन इनफैक्ट।
फिर स्क्वायरिंग से क्या होगा?
कर सकता हूँ, बट y इज इक्वल टू मुझे लेना पड़ेगा, और y
हाँ
स्क्वायर चलेगा, चलेगा, यू कैन ट्राई दैट। शायद कुछ अच्छा आ जाए। गुड आइडिया।
फिर मैंने आपको कुछ भेजा, फिर आगे कैसे जाएंगे?
ये कैलकुलेशन एक बार चेक करो। अच्छा, नंबर कुछ लिया क्या तुमने? अब ट्राइड विथ नंबर और व्हाट?
यार दो अलग अलग आ रहे हैं, एक बार नंबर से ट्राई किया तो कुछ और आ रहा है, होल स्क्वायर और ये कर रहा हूँ तो कुछ और आ रहा है। अच्छा नहीं, फिर अंडर रूट करूंगा ना, हाँ सही तो आ रहा है सर, यही तो आएगा।
So is my answer correct?
जस्ट अ मिनट आते हैं। what like how you are doing आद्या? क्या किया बेटा?
नहीं।
I did by first. I'm really not sure about my method, but it's like, can I type it to you and send it on chat?
Okay, you can tell now. It's okay.
I needed to actually confirm it before
Yeah.
I told.
It's okay.
It's like came out to be absolute values of root x minus 1 plus 1 plus modulus of root x minus 1, and out of it minus 1.
Okay. See,
And
the
if we
firm method could be something like this, right? What I'm saying now, it just I can write this as -1 and this as +1, and this I'm subtracting -1 and +1.
Sir, I did the same way. I did like this. Like the original expression became the whole root of root x minus 1 plus 1 ka whole square plus again root of root x minus 1 ka whole square. So this simplifies to mod of root x minus 1 plus 1 plus mod of x minus 1 minus 1.
Very good.
And because the constraint is like 1 is lesser than equal to x lesser than equals to 2, so if we combine it, it becomes root x minus 1 plus 1 minus x minus 1. So root x minus 1 cancels out, and what we are left with is just 2.
Wow. Very good. Perfect method ना. Very good.
सर होल स्क्वायर से भी तो आ रहा है।
आएगा, होल स्क्वायर से भी आएगा बेटा। होल स्क्वायर में एक पंगा होगा, बट फिर भी वो भी दिखाता हूँ, वो भी दिखाता हूँ।
सर
बट
बस एक बार स्विच करना होगा टर्म, वहाँ पे 2 - 6 का होल स्क्वायर लिखना होगा कि ये कंडीशन दी है।
एंड मोर ओवर 2 - x, तो लाइक 1 to 2 है तो x
टू ए बी के टर्म में, 2ab के टर्म में फिर एंड में होल अंडर रूट करना पड़ेगा इसलिए।
अब भी करना, पहले तो इसे नोट कर लें। राइट, दिस इज वन ऑफ द मेथड। होल स्क्वायर में कुछ गड़बड़ था क्या, मिला क्या जील, वो मिला क्या?
हाँ सर। हाँ हाँ, मैं
जिसने कुछ
वापस भेजती हूँ।
स्क्वायर नहीं किया शायद ना,
मैंने स्क्वायर किया था।
नहीं हुआ था, हाँ समथिंग मेरे को लगा वो। y is equal to this. See, under root is always a positive quantity. Squaring both sides. So this is coming as x plus under root of x minus 1 plus x minus twice of under root of x minus 1. These two cancel out, right? Plus twice of under root of x square minus 4 times of x minus 1, right? So this is coming as 2x plus twice of under root of x square minus x minus 2 the whole square, right?
सर ये नहीं, यहाँ पे 2 - 6 द होल स्क्वायर लिखेंगे क्योंकि
2x
बस यही एक चेंज करना था इस क्वेश्चन में।
right? So this is coming as twice of 2 minus x, right? So this is coming as 4 minus, obviously minus minus cancel out. So this is coming as 4. So y square is equal to 4. So y is coming as plus minus 2. But
हाँ सर, पर -2 आ नहीं सकता ना।
very good. So y is equal to 2. ये भी तरीका सही।
नहीं नहीं समझ आया।
हाँ, मैंने जब स्क्वायर किया ना, ये वाला टर्म आया ना, ये वाले में एक्स स्क्वायर आएगा ना। This is a
हाँ
plus b and a minus b. So a square minus b square. So you have to write it down. This is x square ना।
सर
Yes बेटा।
सर 2 - x का क्यों आया?
Where? Oh, see, x was given 1 to 2 था मेरे पास ना,
यस सर।
right? So x is lying between 1 to 2, and this means this is x minus 2 is in the mod. So x is less than 2, right? So what should we write? 2 minus x. That's the reason we.
ओके
ना? तो वो एक जस्ट बेसिक सा एक वो था, अंडरस्टैंड रील प्रतीक्षा, ओके ना बेटा?
यस सर।
तो वेरी गुड एवरीवन, राइट। तो मैं इसके असाइनमेंट आपको भेजूंगा। असाइनमेंट में थोड़े से डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन भी होंगे, राइट, डोंट बी पैनिक, राइट। कोशिश आपको करने हैं, वो नहीं होते हैं चलेगा, बट यू हैव टू ट्राई। हाँ, एक सब्जेक्टिव वाले मैं तो आप लोगों को सब्जेक्टिव का अलग से वो भी दे दूंगा, बट ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन विल बी सब्जेक्टिव, राइट। वीक के लिए मैं 12 to 15 क्वेश्चन आपको दूंगा, राइट। अभी हम लोग 1 क्लासेस के लिए ही हम लोग करेंगे, राइट, जिसमें प्रैक्टिस करने हैं। उसके बाद धीरे से मैं, एज आई सेड, मैं उसके बाद बढ़ा दूंगा क्लास।
सर कोई सब्जेक्टिव बुक है?
मैं पूरा मैं दूंगा बेटा, आई गिव यू एवरीथिंग ना। मैं मॉड्यूल भी मैं दूंगा एंड असाइनमेंट भी मैं दूंगा, राइट। दोनों चीजें मैं प्रोवाइड करूंगा, ओके, राइट। आई होप आप लोगों को इंजॉयमेंट हुआ, समझ में आया पूरा का पूरा।
यस
यस सर।
यस सर।
राइट, किसी को कुछ पूछना है आज के लेक्चर में, प्लीज गो अहेड। मैं एक्सपोनेंट वाले भी कुछ क्वेश्चन लूंगा जो मैंने नहीं करवाया है, राइट। सो थोड़े थोड़े अलग क्वेश्चन मैं दूंगा।
सर
बस
आप ग्रुप बनाओगे या प्राइवेटली भेजोगे?
प्राइवेटली भेज के मैं ग्रुप बना दूंगा आपका अलग ना। आज मैं प्राइवेट भेजूंगा, फिर ग्रुप बना दूंगा इसका अलग से, राइट। नेक्स्ट वाला जो लेक्चर होगा हम लोगों का, वो इनइक्वालिटीज होगा, तो थोड़ा सा और टफनेस लेवल पर और हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे, ठीक है। चलो, बाय बाय एवरीवन।
बाय सर।
थैंक यू।
सर
थैंक यू
आप
सर।
मटेरियल पहले भेजोगे?
हाँ, मैं भेज दूंगा।
थैंक यू सर।